Three princes once solved a mystery without ever seeing the animal involved. They described a lost camel they had never seen. And they were completely right. How? Their strange ability later inspired one of the most beautiful words in the English language: serendipity. The story comes from an old Persian tale called The Three Princes of Serendip. Serendip was an ancient name for the island we now call Sri Lanka. The three princes were famous for something unusual. Wherever they traveled, they kept discovering answers to problems they were never even trying to solve. One day, a merchant rushed toward them. "My camel is missing."
The princes had never seen the animal, but along the road, they noticed something strange: broken grass, uneven footprints, and a torn strap. From those clues, they described the camel perfectly. The merchant was stunned. Moments like this are called fortuitous. Fortuitous means something lucky happening by pure chance. But here's the strange part. This wasn't the only time it happened. Again and again, the princes kept discovering answers they were never searching for. People around them said it was simply coincidence. A coincidence happens when two surprising events seem connected by chance, but the princes began to wonder, was it really coincidence? One evening, the youngest prince sat beside a fountain. An old traveler noticed his concern. "We keep discovering answers we never searched for," the prince said. The traveler smiled. "We call that Kismet." Kismet means destiny, a moment that feels as if it was meant to happen. The traveler explained another idea. In ancient Rome, people believed the universe sent signs. A good sign was called auspicious. An auspicious moment meant the future looked favorable. Looking back, the princes realized something. They weren't searching for answers, yet answers appeared. They weren't hunting treasure, yet discoveries found them. Fortuitous encounters, coincidences, Kismet, auspicious signs. But English had no word for this strange kind of luck. Until 1754. An English writer named Horace Walpole read this Persian fairy tale. He noticed how the princes kept making discoveries by accident and clever observation. So he created a new word: serendipity. Serendipity means discovering something valuable when you weren't looking for it. And it happens more often than we think. You take the wrong street and discover the best cafe in the city. You fail a job interview, but meet someone who becomes your future business partner. You randomly watch a movie, and it becomes your favorite film. Those moments are serendipity. Let's recap. Fortuitous, lucky by chance. Coincidence, unexpected events together. Kismet, destiny. Auspicious, a positive sign. Serendipity, discovering something valuable when you weren't looking for it. Now your turn. What was the most serendipitous moment in your life? Tell the story in the comments. And in the next video, we explore another fascinating word: nemesis.